I'm a magician and I know many of tricks, but this one actually fooled me.
I will explain you. You could name any card for real. Just say any card.
9 of diamonds.
The 9 of diamonds. And you, as I said before, you could say any card. Okay? Just imagine that you have the card in your hand like this. Throw it. Can you see?
What?
The nine of diamonds, right?
What? Well, that's really good, actually. What? Okay. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Really good. You didn't even have your hands at the glass, so...
Victor, just name any card that you like.
4 cards.
4 cards. And Nati, name any number between 1 and 52 as the cards in the deck.
17.
17, that's perfect. I will count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and on 16 there is only a red card here. It's the only red card if you watch the whole deck.
Yes.
I don't know.
Is that yet? No.
Wow.
Dude! Oh my... no way.
The 5 of clubs. It will be impossible.
Yes. No! Get out!
3 of diamonds. And you know what? If you would name any other number or any other card, it wouldn't work because all the other cards, they are not even print. All blank cards.
Oh, I hate you. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
You were thinking of another one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you changed your mind. Just imagine that you have that card in your hand like this.
Okay.
And take a look at that card. Say the
8 of hearts.
8 of hearts. And now throw it to me here inside the glass. Can you see?
What?
Nothing strange, and it's the 5.
No, para.
Say it all.
No, boludo,
Can you see? And it's the 5 of diamonds.
Wow, what the hell? That was even better. That was better than the first trick.